Hey guys, it's Shelby from Big Cat Creative, and in today's video, we are going to talk all about how you can change your mobile logo in Squarespace 7.1. With a significant portion of site visitors viewing websites on their mobiles, having a logo that is both readable and optimized for a mobile screen is pretty crucial. And with desktop and mobile screen sizes being so wildly different, it's pretty common that a logo can look really great on desktop, but not quite right on mobile. Depending on the type of logo that you upload, the size and spacing it can get a little wonky. For example, you can see over here on the left, the logo is super tiny. You cannot even read what it says, even though the overall spacing of the mobile menu looks pretty good. Whereas on the right-hand side, the logo is nice and big, you can read what it says, but this overall mobile menu looks too large and it just doesn't quite fit in with the rest of the page. So you're compromising the overall layout to make your logo bigger. The point is that you shouldn't have to sacrifice the design of your mobile view just so that you can have a nice looking logo, which is why it's super nice that Squarespace's 7.1 Fluid Engine Editor allows you to add a completely unique logo simply just for mobile view. So first things first, you'll want to make sure that you have a mobile logo designed. And once you do, you can come into your website and click on Edit in the top left-hand corner. From here, hover over the top of your page and click on where it says Edit Site Header. You'll then want to go to wherever your site title and logo box is. So in this example, it's right here in the center. Click on that and then click on the pencil edit icon. You'll see first is your site title, and then below that is where you add your main logo image. So whatever logo you want to appear on desktop view. Under that, you have the ability to adjust the height of that desktop logo, and you also have the ability to adjust the height of your mobile logo. This is where you'll adjust the height whether you keep the same logo as desktop or whether you add a new one for mobile. And to add a new one for mobile, just scroll all the way to the bottom of this window where it says Mobile Logo Image. From here, you can click the plus icon and upload a new file or select a file from your existing library. You can also just go ahead and drag your logo in, which is what I'm going to do right now. And there you have it. Your mobile logo is now uploaded. And then before we go ahead and adjust anything to the max height, let's click into our mobile view over here in the top right-hand corner and see what the logo looks like. So there's our brand new mobile logo, and you can see that it looks a little bit small. So I'll click back into this site title and logo box, and then again click on the pencil edit icon, and this same window will pop up. So I'll scroll down to where it says mobile logo max height, and here I can go ahead and toggle this bar up and down to change the size of that mobile logo. And that is all there is to it. You now have a beautiful looking logo on mobile view, and your logo still looks incredible on desktop view as well. And that is everything you need to know to change your mobile logo in Squarespace 7.1. If you enjoyed this little tutorial, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every single week, and I'll see you in the next one.